welcome back to the channel. It's early morning. I thought I'd go to another park within the council permissions that I've got, but behind me, right at the back there, you can see the sea. So if I don't find anything much, or if I don't find much, then I'll be on the beach. But that's the park I've got today. So I'm going to be here for a few hours. Last time I was here, I got quite a few pre-decimals, so that's what I'll be looking for, hopefully. But yeah, we'll just wait and see what we find. See you at the first hole. Bye. Right, first hole. Wouldn't be metal detecting, would it? That was a 72. We've got a 62, it's just some lead. Square bits of lead. Before I start breaking it open, there it is. It's a 55, 56. I'd expect it to be a 5p piece. And it is. Yep. First coin, 5p. Right. Another coin. So 2p. Oh no, ship halfpenny. It's a ship halfpenny. Coming up as an 82, 83. I'll see what that one is. That's George. George the 6th. Ship halfpenny. And there you go. $1948. Yeah, I think it's 1948. Ship halfpenny. There you go. Correct. Oh. Correction on the date. It's 1944. 1944. Okay. It's a ship halfpenny. I've got a 55, 56 just there. Can it be another coin? Yes. Another 5p. Another 5p. Right, I just had 71, 72. There's the imprint. And there's a coin. That's a... it's an old 10p. Yeah. 1945. 2 shillings. George the 6th, 2 shillings. 19, what did I say it was? 1945, didn't I? It's 1947. 1947, 2 shillings. And there you go, another pre-decimal. It's an 80, 81, 75, 76 one way, and an 80, 81. But I think the 75, 76 is on the edge of it. Yes, it's in the 80s now. So possibly Could be another pre-decimal. Possibly. Or is it? Oh, it's another coin. It's a halfpence. So there's your imprint. It's a halfpence. So it's a decimal halfpence that is no longer legal tender. And there you go. Alright, 69.70. We've got a 20p piece. It's quite a strong smell of gas around here as well. So hopefully it'll be alright. But it does reek. It didn't earlier. Alright, 69.70. There's the imprint. And there's the coin. 20p. Happy days. 182. I'll do it as a live one. So the other ones have been pre-decimals. So let's see. It's still in the hole. Good sign. That is out. Yeah, there you go. One pre-decimal penny, which in this case is blank by the looks of it. Give it a clean. That's as smooth as anything. Got the line along there where the date would have been. Just see a date, but only the top sections of it. So, one blank pre-decimal penny. Happy days. Well, just at a 70. There's an imprint, but I haven't seen the coin, or whatever else it might be. But I'd say that's going to be a coin. And there it is there. 20p. Oh. Coin spill. Any more? Had to have been two really, isn't there? Oh no, it might be another one. Let's have a look. Yeah, there's another one there. So, 1/0, 60p. Does that mean I've got a hoard? Just make sure there's no more. I think that might be that. That might be that. Yeah, no more. So, 60p from one hole. And there you go. 83, 84, doesn't matter which way round I go. So, is it the reinforced ground? Because around here they've got mats. Yeah, it is. I don't think it'll be anything else. Although it's only hitting there. So I don't think I'm going to be able to undo that. Right, carefully taking out the mud. I've got a round pound. I wasn't giving up, I'm sorry. one round pound. Well, if that's a buckle, that's the smallest buckle I've ever found. Look at that. It's minute. Size of my nail. Wow. Can't see what else it would be. Oh, I just got another 5p piece. 55 on the dot. 5p.